All right, yo, what's up? What's goody? 7 p.m. Take profit hit. I should have been trading at 7 p.m. Why? I actually looked at the data, right? I looked at the data and I realized I should have been trading at 7 p.m. and just really made the effort to do it because I looked at the data and it performs way better than fucking 8 p.m. I mean, bruh, I will admit this trade was a bit unorthodox. Not really a trade I would have taken normally, but I just saw the momentum and that shit was there. I saw this area, like Price wanted to push out of that shit. And I saw multiple ejections here. Shit seemed like it didn't want to go down, although this area was perfect for fucking sells, but it seemed like shit didn't want to go down. So I was like, okay, we going up, my nigga. We going up. We going to the moon, nigga. We going to the moon. Obviously, we didn't go to the moon, but we went far enough to hit a fucking take profit. So, oh yeah, and not to mention, we also passed a funded in pretty much one day. But that's for another video. Okay, that's for another video. That'll be a pretty interesting fucking video. But yeah, quick move today. It took me like what, 15 minutes to find this fucking setup, I guess. But yeah, quick move today. As soon as take profit got hit, that shit decided to tank. And then say we decided to wait on a fucking sell, bro. Um, I'm pretty sure it would have been an entry for sells. Actually, I'm tripping. There's no fucking entry for sells here. If you go to 8 p.m. though, shit looks like straight up hot garbage, bro. Shit looks like straight hot garbage. But something interesting is that 9 p.m. has been performing pretty well though. 9 p.m. has actually been hitting. This is the second day in a row I've seen this shit hit at 9. 9's just a bit too late though. That's literally what, 2 hours into fucking market open. I'm not trying to be up late trading that fucking late, bro. Like, come on, it's 9 p.m. I got other shit to do. I got better things to do besides stare at the fucking charts at fucking 9 p.m., bro. But if we were to trade at 9 p.m., we would have had a fucking banger ass trade, continuation tight shit. You know what I'm saying? Entry would have looked like, there we go. Entry probably would look something like this. Fuck. Entry probably would have looked something like that. Key area that got fucking racked. Boom, there we go. Yeah, 8 p.m. is still giving me shitty PA, but whatever, bro. I'm not even going to worry about it. I guess 8 p.m. is just not in that season right now. But then again, it is 2 hours after the market opens. So, I mean, what do you really expect? Yeah, I should have been aware of that. But yeah, this was a nice little 9 p.m. setup right here. Came up, came down. Let's see, free fair value gap ass niggas. I bet there is a fair value gap right here. Is there a fair value gap right here? There is no fair value gap right here. I don't see a fair value gap. Actually, is there a tiny fair value? No, I can't count that as fair value gap. There's no fucking fair value gap. How about this? You EQ niggas. You EQ ass niggas. Check this out.
So if we look here, we could see that this area, this liquidity got swept right here, this area. How do we know liquidity got swept? Well, first off, we see that every time it came in this area, it went up, came up, boom, came up again. So this is obviously some sort of liquidity, but this would be the major draw on liquidity right here. We should probably wait for this area to get tapped. And if we look, that area nearly got tapped. So it is what it is. But we had a break of structure right here. As you can see, these candlesticks, they closed above. So that means we got a break of structure and we closed above the EMA and the VWAP.
Oh shit, my laptop needs a battery power soon. Anyways, back into the liquidity sweep trading character.
So what we see here is that we had these two breaks of the EMA and the VWAP, and so we waited for price to come up, waited for price to respect our EQ, and then we went ahead and entered our trade. Now, what you want to go ahead and do is always wait for that liquidity sweep, because without that liquidity sweep, chances are you're probably going to lose. So wait on that liquidity sweep.
Fucking A, bro. Leave me alone with these liquidity sweeps, bro. Not that it's not valid or anything. I just don't trade like that. I tried trading like that one time, man. I could never stick with that shit. Honestly, it just didn't work for me, but it works for a lot of people. It works for a lot of people. And I'm probably done trading for this week. Honestly, I don't know. We'll fucking see. I know I'm definitely done with New York. Matter of fact, New York has been printing. I swear, maybe I'm just better at New York now, or maybe the market switched or something like that. But New York session has been printing lately, like for real. New York session has been like, yeah, nigga, trade in the fucking morning, bro. Come on. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Do what works for you. Stay consistent. Don't give up. Even if you have to get in debt to your eyeballs, as long as you make your money from trading, regardless if you get into debt or not, you'll be fucking fine. And let me go ahead and just end the video because I'm about to go on another fucking rant, bro. I'm out.